Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Workday to Slack, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Workday to Slack, start by logging into your Workday account. Navigate to the Workday Integration System settings. Look for the section labeled API Access or Integrations. Enable the necessary permissions for third-party applications. Next, go to the Slack API website. Log into your Slack workspace with administrator credentials. Create a new app by selecting Create New App from the menu. Choose a name for your app and select the workspace to associate it with. Proceed to the OAuth and Permissions section in your app settings. Add the appropriate scopes that Workday requires for access. Once you've configured the scopes, install the app to your workspace. This will generate an OAuth access token for your Slack app. Copy the access token to your clipboard for future use. Return to your Workday integration settings. Locate the section where you can input the Slack integration details. Paste the Slack access token into the designated field. After pasting, save your changes to ensure they take effect. Next, configure any additional settings to tailor notifications or interactions. Test the connection by sending a sample message from Workday to Slack. Monitor Slack for the test message to confirm success. If the message is received, your Workday and Slack integration is complete. If issues arise, double-check the access permissions and token validity. Finally, keep the integration updated as both platforms evolve over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.